This tutorial will walk you through how to customize your controls and settings. By default, the up and down arrow keys are bound to forwards and backwards on your robot. The left and right arrow keys are bound to left and right movements on your robot. You can change these keys in the Settings panel by clicking on the Menu button, then navigating to Robot Controls. From here, you will see Player 1's controls by default. To change a control, click on the control, then click on the key you would like to set. Then click Apply. If we go back to the simulator, we can see that WASD is now mapped to our robot. The same process also applies to joysticks. You can also change your manipulator's controls as well as additional features. To change to a pre-configured driving profile, click on the Profile dropdown, then select your drive type. Now let's say you would like to configure your individual PWM channels. To do this, toggle the control label to PWM. You can individually set a key by using the left mouse button to select it. You can also click the right mouse button to modify all the duplicate controls for that drive type. Don't forget to press Apply when completed. Configuring multiple players is the same process. Just click on the player you would like to configure. Next, let's move to our global controls. There are a couple of global controls that are controlled by Player 1. Here, you can configure them in the same way as you would with all the other controls. You can also find our hotkeys, as listed on the bottom, to use Easter egg features like God Mode. Here you can find the general settings for your screen. To update these settings, click on the setting and then click your item in the dropdown. Then hit Apply. You can also view your previously saved replays in our Settings menu by clicking on the replay you would like to open, then hit Launch. You can also delete them by clicking the Delete button. Lastly, our Help menu provides quick access to our tutorials. You can find more of these tutorials and resources at our website at synthesis.autodesk.com.